In today's video, I'll be trying out the sculpted acrylic tips, the Tipex Instant Apex system by 5 Angelas. Thank you so much for reaching out to me and giving me a chance to try out your product. So the first thing that I see in the box when I open up is their information pamphlet, and it also includes the instruction and directions on how to apply. And as well, on the back of this pamphlet you can see the Q&As and what not to do and more information. They also included their branded filer and buffer. I really like this filer. It's very big, so you have a lot of space to use and work with, so you don't have to get your own filer and buffer. They also included the cord for their UV light lamp. Isn't this just so cute? It's just adorable, super cute. I cannot wait to try this out and show y'all how it works. Super cute, super adorable, compact, and you could definitely travel with this. Back into the box, up next we have here the base gel. And one thing I wanted to mention about their products is they always have the instructions and directions on the back, just in case you're traveling and you don't have the instructions manual with you. You can always turn to the back of the product and it's there for you. So the next product here is their nail glue, and then on to the nail tips. These are the nail tips. They have approximately 10 different sizes, as you can see, and anybody that wears nail tips or press-on nails, you will have them sized to fit your nail bed. And something they always want their customer to know is about the apex of their nails. As you can see, it looks strong, sturdy, and realistic. As you know, with press-ons or acrylics, you definitely want your nails to look realistic, and the apex, kudos. So now we're going to get started in prepping our nails. The first thing I like to do is size our nails. I'm going to show you the proper way to size your nails. You always want your nails to fit wall to wall. You never want it to be spillage or too small. Here is an example of how it would look if the nail is too big. As you can see, the side of the nail here is not fitting on my nail compared to the correct size, which just slides right in and fits wall to wall. So we're going to go with that. So now we have all the nails ready to go, and as you can see in the nail pamphlet, the first step is to file your nails. We've already sized the nails, so we're going to move on. So I like to always start on a fresh canvas. So I'm going to clip my free edge of my nails first, and the reason I do this is because my nails are already like flimsy. I wear press-on nails a lot, so my nails are very weak already and brittle. So that is the first thing I like to do. So the next step is to file and buff your nails. So we're going to go ahead and use the nail filer that is provided in our kit here to file our nails. And this step is very crucial for longevity, for your nails to last long, and for that gel, for the nail glue to adhere to your nails. So that's what we're going to do to the rest of our nails. We are finally done filing all of our nails. I just like to take my little nail duster that I have here and I just brush away that extra dust that is caused from nail filing. The next step I like to do is push back my cuticles. Now, this is not required, but I like to do this because it makes your nails look more realistic and like they're literally growing from your fingertips. So I like to do this part, so that's what I'm going to do next. On to the next step here in our directions list. We've already prepped our nails. We're now on to the next step. We do not have a nail drill, so we're going to skip this step. We're going to go right into our base gel, which we're going to be using with the UV light So I've already plugged in my UV light here, and the cord is extra long. You could plug it into your port. I was sitting right next to one, so that's how I was able to get mine to start working. And all you have to do is put your finger and it turns on, just as you see me showing a demonstration. So now taking my base gel, I'm going to start, I like to start at the pinkies. I'm going to start with a thin coat. You do not need to add too much for this step. And then I will let it sit under the UV lamp for approximately 1 minute to 90 seconds. We're finally done curing that base gel. We're now going to go ahead and do the same thing for the rest of our fingernails. We are not going to spend too much time on this portion of the video, so I did go ahead and speed through and get through the clips as fast as I can for y'all, because I know y'all don't want to sit here seeing me do this. Now that we are done applying that base gel, we are now ready to apply the nail tips with the nail glue provided in our kit. So we start off by putting the nail glue at the bottom where it sits closest to the cuticle, and we place it on our nail and slightly press down until there's no bubbles, and then we put it underneath the nail lamp for 90 seconds for it to cure and to harden under the nail. This is how it looks. That is the first nail that I did, and as you can see, the apex looks beautiful. It looks sturdy and strong and natural. And for these first few nails I did, they did come out horribly in my opinion, because they did fall off the next day. And yeah, it comes with the learning territory, but here I'm showing you guys how I applied them anyways, so that you can see how I properly apply it as we go down. So here I'm starting with my ring finger now. I've already done the pinkies, so as you could see, I do it slowly enough until the glue is smooth and there's no air pockets or bubbles. And then once it's done curing, this is how it should look. And then I also showed the first one that I did, which did not come out as good as that one. And yeah, like I said, it comes with the learning territory of doing things like this. So as you can see, I am applying the glue where it sits closest to the cuticle, and then I'm taking my time to apply it onto the nail and slightly pressing down until it's smooth and there's no bubbles under the nail. And then we allow it to cure for 90 seconds. I show you again once more how I apply it. I slowly press down until that glue is smooth and there's no bubbles underneath the nail. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it under the nail lamp once more, and then let it cure for 90 seconds. So like I mentioned when I was first applying them, I did not like how the nail looked underneath with the bubbles and stuff. Like you can see even in this clip at the pinky, there was a lot of air pockets and bubbles, which resulted to one of them popping off. And you just have to practice doing this and get used to doing it. But once you get the hang of it, it turns out really beautiful. So there's always going to be parts where you make a mistake, and then you learn from your mistakes, and then you get the hang of it as you go down the line. So here is another clip of me applying another nail. So I start by putting the nail glue, and then I slightly spread it a little bit with the tip of the glue. And then after I do that, and then take it and I'm ready to place it on my nail, I will take it to my nail, as you can see here in this clip, and I take it and I slowly press it down until the glue is smooth and there's no bubbles or air pockets under the nail. And then I allow it to cure for 90 seconds under the UV lamp. Fast forward, we are finally done applying all the nails. Clickety clackety clack, all the nails are now glued on. So here is how they are looking. They all look amazing. They are long, they look natural, and they're beautiful. So I wanted to do a little bit of ASMR, so let's do that. Now that we're done with some ASMR, we are now moving on to the next step, which is to file the tips of the nails and also file the surface of the nail for in case you want to do some gel nail polish or regular nail polish. This step comes into play. So here we go. The nails are prepped and ready for the next and final step. So I decided that I'm going to go in and do a white nail polish, just do some basic coloring here because I am in no way, shape, or form a nail specialist or designer. So I decided to just keep it cute and classy and do a white set. So let's go ahead and do that real quick for y'all so you guys can see a little style. But if this is up to you, if you didn't want to do this part, you can definitely skip this step and you can be done with it, or you can do a different color. Or if you even have gel polish, you can use a gel polish, which you can use with these nails. So I'm going to go ahead and do some white nail polish on mine and allow them to dry. And then we will come back and we will give our final review and thought on the product that I received. Here are the finished results. Like I said, I am not a nail guru, nail tech, so of course the painting job was slightly butchered, but nonetheless you can see the picture. You could see that the nails came out cute, beautiful, long, and they're sturdy and amazing thus far. So my overall thoughts is that these nails are easy to apply. I love that they came with their instructions fully detailed. They even have a YouTube channel, so check out the 5 Angeles YouTube channel just in case you're interested in purchasing your own set so that you can try them out. And right now they're pretty popular. Gel-X nail tips are very popular. There's other brands out there as well that have the same systems, so definitely check out this brand. They're pretty good, pretty affordable. I'll link their website down below and more information in the description box. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed wearing these nails. They're super cute, super fun, and easy to do. So with that being said, I hope you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.